If you are looking to get hosting, you don't want to miss this Hostinger coupon offer. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Hostinger coupon code that will give you a Hostinger discount on Hostinger web hosting of up to 81% off, plus a free domain name on select annual plans. I'm even going to be doing a before and after comparison so you can see the additional amount you'll be saving. To get your Hostinger coupon code discount, just click the link in the description below. I provide the Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Now let me go over the Hostinger web hosting plans, going over the discount with a before and after comparison. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger homepage. Scroll down to the next section where it lists the plans. You'll see the single, premium, and business shared hosting plans. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the promo code at checkout. After choosing a plan, scroll to the total section on the next page, enter the Hostinger promo code found in the description with the link. Once you click the plus icon, scroll back up to the top, you'll see the additional savings you'll be saving on your Hostinger hosting purchase. Here's the before and after of the Hostinger single shared hosting plan. You'll see you can get web hosting for as low as $185 a month, depending on the term you go with. You get a savings of up to 81% off. This plan doesn't come with a free domain name. Next up is the Hostinger Premium Shared Hosting Plan. You'll see you'll get Hostinger hosting for as low as $278 a month, depending on the term you go with. You'll also get a free domain name on any of the annual plans. You get a savings of up to 77% off. Next is the Hostinger Business Shared Hosting Plan. You'll get Hostinger hosting for as low as $464 a month, depending on the term you go with. You'll also get a free domain name with any of the annual plans. You get a savings of up to 73% off. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger coupon discount. Thanks for watching. That is my Hostinger coupon code discount. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.